Hi there, I'm Yvonne DeCellis coming to you on my Y Energy Healing channel. It's actually Y Energy though, that's the letter Y, the letter N, E-R-G-Y. This is going to be a little bit of a talker, but I'll try to make it quick as well. This is going to be sort of a triple warmer extravaganza video. Sorry for the air quotes to those who are sick of seeing them, but I can't think of a better way to put that. When I say triple warmer extravaganza, I've gotten a few requests from people on this one. People seem to like the videos that I do on the triple warmer. For those of you who do not know what the triple warmer is or why it's got such a strange name, the triple warmer basically controls your body's fight, flight, or freeze response. And that comes from our ancestors from a very, very long time ago. And our bodies just haven't gotten up to date with the fact that we don't have to worry about things like getting eaten by lions in the forest. We've got buildings and technology now, but like I said, our bodies haven't kind of glommed onto the fact. So our bodies mistranslate things as horrible danger, and it sets our bodies into panic mode, which can make us very sick. A lot of us have illness problems that come out of what seems to be nowhere, and that's not what it is. We're taxing ourselves, we're getting stressed out, we're freaking out, and the reason it's called the triple warmer is because your body just kind of gets out of control and it tenses up, and you need to sedate that. You need to kind of heat that sensation up. I believe that's why it's called triple warmer. So if you're in the energy healing industry, you will hear that term used a lot. You'll hear the expression triple warmer. There's also a triple warmer meridian. Triple warmer is basically the source your body turns to when your body freezes up. The triple warmer meridian starts on your ring finger, and you trace up and up the backs of the arms, go all the way up, and then you go up the back of the neck. Sorry, my headphones are in the way, but these are my ears. Go up the back of the neck, over the ears, and then you go out to the outer edge of your eyebrow. That is the triple warmer meridian. Another spot that the triple warmer turns to is about an inch over your navel. So if you do this, you are vigorously massaging a source that your triple warmer turns to during sources of stress, which is why you might feel that pit of your stomach sensation of dread. That's usually where it hits. So these sorts of things that I'm going to teach you are things that will hopefully help you sedate your triple warmer. I'm just going to show a few different exercises that I think will be very helpful. The first one, I love this one. I discovered this one very, very recently. Best thing to do is rub your hands together. So this is technique number one. This is the hands-on cheek technique. This is a very, very easy one, and I love it. When I'm really stressed out, this is helpful. The other thing that I like this for is if you have cluster headaches, which can be really annoying. I get them all the time. What a cluster headache is usually it shows up on one side of the head. Sometimes it feels like it's right behind your eye. Sometimes it might feel like it's around here somewhere, and it feels almost like someone's stabbing you with like a little tiny stick or something, but it's incredibly painful, and it usually lasts for a very short period of time, but it's very unpleasant and uncomfortable. This can also help with that. So again, you want to rub your hands together really quick and get them nice and warm. And then you want to put the palms of your hands on your cheekbones like this. So we're going to lose eye contact, but on the cheekbones. Bring your fingers up on top of your head, and your thumbs, just let them go out to the sides. And again, sorry, my headphones are on the way, but just put them out diagonally to the sides, because again, remember the triple warmer goes up and out to the edge of the eyebrow, so you want to kind of have it along the triple warmer edge. So, fingers on top of head, thumbs at sides along the triple warmer meridian, and the palms of your hands on your cheekbones. So let's do this together. Again, sorry for the loss of eye contact, but all together now, and breathe in through the nose if possible. Most important is have your tongue at the roof of the mouth. You should feel the back of your top row of teeth against your tongue. Tongue at the roof of the mouth when you breathe in. You can let it drop when you exhale, but please remember to put it back up at the top when you can. Breathe in, out through the mouth. Let's do that one or two more times. Breathe in through the nose, tongue at the roof of the mouth. Out, you can let the tongue drop. And one more time. and out. And that's it for that one. Just a quick word on breathing. Also quick word on that quick word. I have an opening video for my energy healing videos about getting the most out of your energy healing. When I get a chance to do the chapters and the description and finalize this and get it ready for the public eye, I will put that all in there, but I do want to make the video available as soon as I can. So, you know, when I'm not making eye contact with the right part of the camera, I hope I'm looking at you now, hoping we're making eye contact, I mean. Anyway, let me just go on to the next one. I know I'm kind of in babble mode here, but I don't want to lose track of what I'm showing you. So that was the first exercise. Oh, I know, the word on breathing is, most important thing is, it's a good idea to have your tongue at the roof of your mouth, because that can also help be a de-stressor, as well as help prevent you from getting dry mouth. It's a good thing to do. I believe having your tongue at the roof of your mouth also stimulates a nerve, and it also unlocks the chambers between the meridians. It makes it easier for the meridians to basically communicate with each other. So it's a good way to de-stress and to get what you need to do. And it also keeps you focused on your breathing, which is intentional. So sorry if that's really distracting for you. If it is and you don't like it, you don't have to do it. Do what works for you. But it tends to be suggested constantly in the world of energy medicine. So anyway, I just do want to go to another exercise. So I showed you that technique. That's a really good one. Another one that I really like is what I like to call the triple warmer rub. Again, so the triple warmer meridian, once again, is on the ring finger up the back of the arm, like I showed you before. What I like to do is, you know how you do this when you get cold? Sometimes we have a tendency to rub our arms up and down. I don't think this is a coincidence. I think this is because this is doing a sort of triple warmer rub, but you can add to this by going down, across, and then going back up, and go all the way up the back of the neck. And you just basically bring your fingers up behind your ears, up pretty high, and then go back down. And like I said, these are in the way. I'll try to move them, but we're going to lose contact for just 1 second, but I'm just going to do it so that you can see exactly what I mean when I say behind the ear. So this is what I mean. Sorry, earplugs. Like this. Sorry about that. I realized as I was doing that I still had my earplugs in because I had a migraine last night and I haven't taken the earplugs out since. But anyway, just wanted to show you, though, that's what I meant when I said go up behind the back of the ear and then come back down on the neck, and just go this way as quickly or as slowly as you want to do it, as whatever feels comfortable. You might feel a temperature shift as you do this. I find it to be a very comforting sensation, so you might want to give that a try. That again, this is the triple warmer rub. And one other one I'm going to show you is one that I learned by Donna Eden. I really do love this one. I believe she calls this one the triple warmer smoothie. It's another one that will sedate the triple warmer, so this is another good one to rub your hands together for. I love Donna Eden. She's actually what inspired me to become an energy healer. I think she's wonderful. If you're unfamiliar with her, check her work out. She's absolutely incredible. She also has 2 daughters, Titania and Dondi Dolan. I'll put links up to all of their sites because, if you don't know them, they're worth checking out. But anyway, let me just throw those together. Also, some other honorable mentions for some friends of mine. I've joined a couple of organizations. One is called Spiritual Communities Network, and the other one is called Core Spirit. I will put mentions of them in my description, and mentions of other people as well, who at the moment I can't remember the name of them, but I will put a link to them as well. So sorry for the babbling. But anyway, rubbing the hands together to get them good and warm, and then put them over your eyes. You don't have to close your eyes, but you want to put them over your eyes. You want to get your eyeballs warmed up. And you can actually twist them this way so that they're facing out. And just leave it there just for a moment and take a breath in. And then on the breath out, drag your hands back towards your temples, and then go back over your ears, And now go behind the ears and make a scrubbing motion, kind of massage down, go down the backs of your neck or the sides of the neck till you get to your torso, and then just hang off of your shoulders for a moment. So just grab onto your back and just let yourself drape and hang here for just a moment. And let's take another breath here. And on the breath out, slide your hands down. Sorry, I have to get my lovely crystal out of the way for a moment, out of harm's way. Sorry. Over the heart chakra, and just hold your hands here over the heart chakra. I believe Donna Eden said this is you coming back to yourself. And you can end the exercise here if you wish, or slide up and then just slide down, across, and end in prayer pose. And one thing I like about the prayer pose move is if you hold your hands together and just slowly, slowly, slowly just try to bring down a little bit. This is a bit of a wrist stretch. Don't go down too low because I don't want you to hurt your wrist. I don't want you to hurt the muscles here, but this is a really good wrist stretch. The lower down you go, the more of a stretch you will feel. And when you are done here, just rub your hands together. This is a very good way of removing any negative energy you may have unwittingly picked up. Rub your hands together, shake them off. You can also rinse your hands with sage. You can wash with cold water. I've heard it suggested to wash with soap, or not soap, I'm sorry, salt. I honestly, though, I just do the rubbing together and shaking off, and also rinsing with cold water. But anyway, those are the triple warmer exercises I was going to show you today. I am going to do another video at some point when I am able to. I was asked to do a video on a guided meditation of discarding unwanted, discrediting beliefs. I will try to come up with something like that soon. I am going to try to, limited beliefs, beliefs and limitations, or limiting beliefs, self-defeating beliefs. They asked me if I could give them a guided meditation on doing that, and I will give that a try. I am definitely getting into the law of attraction, and I am trying to practice it, going back and forth, but I am having good experiences with it, so I will keep trying it out. And like I said, I will try to do a guided meditation on that guide for you guys soon. But as always, I will also put links to other people who may give you the guidance in that spot that you might want in the description below this video when I get a chance. So please be patient with me. It is going to take me a while to get this video finalized, but I really wanted to put something up because, like I said, a lot of people have been asking me for more triple warmer stuff. So I do hope this was helpful for you. Please let me know in the comments below. One sec, I just have to have a sip of water, which is also important, by the way. That's in my other video too. The importance of drinking water is in that. If you want to make the most out of your energy healing sensation, I go into that too. Sorry about that. But I guess that's everything for now. Thank you, as always, so much for coming and listening to me babble. I do really hope those exercises were helpful for you. As always, peace and light. Namaste. If I don't see you guys again soon enough, I hope I will, but if I don't, I wish you all a very, very, very happy holiday season. I hope you all have a very happy Thanksgiving. I'm sure I'll see you before the other holidays coming up, but if I don't, have a wonderful holiday season. I wish you, your families, friends, loved ones well. I hope everyone is doing as well as possible. I know these are really rough times right now, but we're going to get around this. Things are going to get better. So once again, thank you so much for your time. Namaste. Peace and light. Cheers.